Straight to our breaking news story for you this hour. Russian authorities have evacuated an area around a military testing ground in central Russia where munitions have detonated. Let's get the latest now from RT's Peter Oliver standing by right now. Peter, any word on casualties and what exactly are officials saying about the situation as far as we know?
Well, officials in the Orenburg region have said that there's no danger posed following this explosion that took place at the military munitions dump around 40 kilometers away from the city of Orenburg. They said that these were conventional munitions that detonated, that there was no chemical and no nuclear arms involved in this explosion, meaning that there is no risk to the local population. Now, despite that, there are some evacuations that have taken place in the immediate vicinity. We're hearing that 3 properties were damaged by the explosions. This was what seems like was a very large blast. We can hear now from somebody who was in the region when the blast took place of just what it was like to be there.
The blast smashed out the windows. People are saying that an army building has been damaged. In my town, everyone just ran out of their homes. Right away we could hear the loud sounds of sirens from ambulances and firefighting vehicles. We were told to gather together to evacuate the area. Buses arrived to pick us up.
The Defense Ministry has launched an investigation into what actually caused this explosion. They've also issued a statement saying that none of their personnel were injured in the blast. There's also a criminal investigation that's been launched into the charge of mishandling of weapons. Now, in the immediate aftermath of the blast, there was some panic online from sources like Twitter, suggesting that some military personnel had been wounded and that a number remained unaccounted for. The Defense Ministry saying that there is absolutely no truth in this, that all of their personnel are unharmed and accounted for. But this isn't the first incident of this kind that we've seen in Russia in recent times. Over the past 3 years, there's been 20 such explosions or fires involving munitions that are being stored. And just as recently as a few months ago, there was a fire and an explosion at this same facility in Orenburg that resulted in one member of military personnel requiring medical attention. So not the greatest of records from Russia when it comes to storing this, but thankfully on this occasion there's been no casualties and that there is no danger posed to the civilian population in the vicinity.
All right, RT's Peter Oliver there, live with the latest on this breaking news story. Thank you.